Hello, welcome to Virgo, Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Career reading ito, guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang sa channel. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Kunin mo lang yung magre-resonate sa'yo. Pag hindi nag-resonate sa'yo, wag mong pilitin. Okay, please do follow me on Facebook. Yung Facebook namin, yung Facebook page namin, Madam P. Let's start. Seven of Wands, the World, Two of Pentacles. Okay, this is in the past, Virgo. Pagdating sa iyong career, yung iba sa inyo, nag-focus ka sa mga skills mo. Seven of Wands, this is you. Skills, no? Ano ba yung mga skills na madadagdag mo pa sa sarili mo? And you are enjoying yourself, actually. The World. You are enjoying yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, na ipapakita mo sa ibang tao yung galing mo. Nakikita naman din nila yun sa'yo. But with the Two of Pentacles, marami kang masyadong ginagawa para mapag-focusan mo masyado ito. So, kumbaga, ito, paunti-unting time lang yung naibibigay mo dito. But then, meron kang time para alamin, aralin, matutunan ang isang bagay, which is really helpful for you. At the bottom of the deck, Ten of Swords, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, there's a lot of ending na nangyari, heartbreak. Yung iba, could be big problem na dumating sa buhay mo na naging dahilan para, teka lang, kailangan ko ng pagbabago. Kailangan kong gawin tong isang bagay na to kasi kailangan ko ng pagbabago regarding dito. Eh, basta inyo dami responsibilidad at Ten of Wands. Ang dami mo responsibility. So, although gano'n na meron kang mga responsibility, pwedeng hindi mo pa rin kinakalimutan ng sarili mo. No? Kaya, I'm seeing some of you may mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, makakatulong sa growth mo, na pinurso mo, no, in the past. So, let's move on at kunin naman natin yung present moment for your career. Present moment pagdating sa iyong career for the sign of Virgo. Present moment pagdating sa iyong career for the sign of Virgo. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo, please? For the sign of Virgo. The star is here, the Ten of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, bottom of the deck, you do have here the Four of Cups. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Okay, uminom lang ako. I see with the Ace of Pentacles, this is you. Nakakita tayo ng mga offer. Either this is you giving offers or this is you na binibigyan ng offer. I don't know, honestly. Some of you, ikaw ito nabibigyan ng offer, maybe help to someone na ano ba yung makakatulong sa kanila para magkaroon sila ng finances. And then, or ikaw ito na binibigyan ng offer. Kung ikaw itong binibigyan ng offer, maybe for now, there's something here na kailangan mong i-end in order for you na may accept si offer. May iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw ito na nag-o-offer, kaya lang yung person or yung people na binibigyan mo ng offer is currently having problems or they are not physically okay. Pwede may mga sakit or not, in the mood para i-accept itong offers na ito coming from you. So, alin man doon. And the star is here, but nandun yung kagustuhan mo to accept the offer. Kung ito yung mga taong ina-offeran mo, nandun yung kagustuhan nila to accept the offer because this is something na they see na makakatulong, na makapag-improve sa kanila. Maybe their skills, their talents, their, mai-enhance yung buhay nila. Somehow, makakatulong si offer na yon. And if this is you, kasi ito, iba-iba pwedeng iba, directed itong reading na ito sa'yo. Kumbaga, ikaw yung binibigyan ng offer na alam mo, nakikita mo that this offer can help you na ma-achieve yung mga bagay, yung goals mo. Or this is an offer na makakapagpa-improve sa'yo as a person. Kaya lang, there's something here that you need to end. Yung iba, pwedeng pagdating sa health mo, you're not okay. So, gusto yun man i-accept si offer, may mga hindrances or may mga nagiging problem. Parang hindi sigurado or hindi magawang aksyon para magawa itong acceptance dito sa particular offer na ito. So, what will happen in the future for you, Virgo? For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay, you do have here the Wheel of Fortune, the Four of Swords, and then you do have here the Six of Pentacles. Clarify the Six of Pentacles, please. You do have here the Five of Wands. I want to clarify itong Five of Wands. The Hermit, this is you, Virgo. And then this Five of Wands is clarified by the Nine of Swords. Pagpasensya mo na, umiinom lang talaga ako mayat-mayat. Medyo nagdodry yung aking bibig. Okay. Wheel of Fortune, big change for you. Big change for you in the future. Wheel of Fortune is about big changes. Mas nakakakita tayo ng stability for you in the near future. Kung hindi ka okay ngayon, hindi ka stable, money is not good, sumasapat lang si bills, o si pera sa pagbayad ng bills, in the near future, there's going to be a help here. The Five of Wands and the Nine of Swords, nakakita rin naman tayo ng mga Virgo na, this is a different person, pero may nakikita tayo ditong Virgo na pwedeng magkaroon ng problema in the near future, pero may tutulong sa'yo. Tell me about this. What's with the Five of Wands and the Nine of Swords? The Sun could be I'm seeing a father figure, King of Cups. Yeah, father figure is going to help you pagdating dito sa problema mo. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune and the Four of Wands. Para dun sa nakakita tayo ng mga big changes. Page of Swords and the Empress. A lot of people is going to admire you, especially kung malakas ang iyong Venus sa iyong chart. No? You have this Venusian qualities or characteristics. A lot of people admire you. Nakakita tayo ng stability, a lot of followers, a lot of subscribers, or a lot of people na talagang hahangaan ka, and that paghanga could help you or lead into this Four of Wands, mas stable na career for you. Okay, Page of Swords, some of you magiging mas bata ka pa, or magiging mas may lalabas mo yung maybe yung mga kagusto mo ng bata mo, artistic abilities mo, kung gaano ka mag-isip ng kabataan mo, medyo magbabalik ito. Yung iba naman sa inyo, the problem is not money in the near future, but other things like personal problem, emotional problem. Pero hindi ka maiiwang luhaan. Parang itong problema na to, may problema pero masusolusyonan din naman. Okay, and someone is going to help you na ma-overcome itong diraramdam mong sakit or kalungkutan. Someone will be there to make you happy. So thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.